Ryan Breton joins us. Lots to talk about once
Hello.
again. The same thing we were doing last night.
Obviously, we have this mix coming in, but what I'm looking forward to is a little warm up. Because it's not just been cold, the air has been so dry. I've been going through chapstick like crazy.
Good
And you know when you like lose one of them or leave it in the car and
suddenly the day's ruined.
yes,
right?
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
I stocked up though. I got some of my desk drawer. So we probably don't need that as much later this week because we're going to warm up. But before we get there, we have a wintry mix that comes in tonight into tomorrow morning. It starts as snow, and then some of us will see a change over to some sleet, freezing rain, and even a little rain down east. Thursday's looking great though. Sunshine with temps near 40, and then it's mild enough on Friday that when the next front comes in, we get mainly rain showers Friday afternoon and evening. Right now it's 27 in Portland. Bangor Airport dropping to 13. Might not be quite that cold downtown, 22 degrees in Lewiston. Clouds are thickening up out there now. The leading edge of the snow around Albany, New York. This is not a big storm, but it just comes through at an inopportune time affecting tomorrow morning. So we'll show you the timeline here. By 8 o'clock, a few flurries make it into western Maine. It's snowing over in central and southern New Hampshire. This moves northeast, so by midnight we have light snow in a lot of central and southern Maine, still dry to the east and north. Watch what happens for our friends down east. You may get very little snow inside of Route 1. You probably change to rain pretty quickly there. So your morning commute will be much more manageable than the rest of the state. We're going to have snow falling for the morning commute the farther inland you are through the foothills and mountains. But in between, closer to the coast in central and southern Maine, it stays cold at the ground while it warms up above. That's a recipe for some freezing rain. It's not going to be heavy, but it will be out there through about 8 or 9 in the morning, and then things start to lighten up. So I think the earlier you're out in the morning, the more challenging it'll be. Once we get past about 9 or 10 and the road treatments are getting to work and the precipitation lightens up, should be much easier getting around through the rest of the day. Up over northern Maine, there will be some snow showers that linger into the afternoon, but it shouldn't be all that heavy. The rest of us do tend to dry out tomorrow afternoon. So in the Portland area, down through York County, it's about an inch of snow. Then we see that change over to a little freezing rain, so a little glaze of ice on top. Down east, you probably get very little, if any, snow accumulation because you see that faster change over to rain. Bangor, it's about an inch. Then you mix over back through Waterville, Augusta, Lewiston. It stays colder. It's mostly snow, 1 to 3 inches, and then 3 to 5 in the mountains up through Moosehead Lake. As far as the ice goes, this is one positive trend. The total amount of freezing rain has come down, but it'll make a little icy layer on top of the snow. After we get rid of this, Thursday looks great. Sunshine, high temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. It'll be a nice winter day if you can get outside and enjoy on Thursday. Now this high drifts offshore, so we're still mild on Friday, up around 40, so that when this front comes in, we get mainly rain showers second half of the day on Friday. And then Saturday starts dry, but the next system comes in Saturday night into Sunday morning. This also looks to be a mix. It's probably a little bit warmer, so you may see a change over to just rain in spots. There is some hope in the mountains and up north that you don't see much of a changeover there, though. That'd be good for skiers like myself. Seas tomorrow, 2 to 4 feet with a north wind, 10 to 20 knots. So again, most of the impact is really during the early to mid-morning tomorrow. I think that by late morning and afternoon, it's much easier getting around. Thursday looking good. Next front on Friday is mild enough for mostly rain showers, and we get another mix Saturday night into Sunday morning.
Okay.
Okay, that warm up though.
I'm looking forward to it.
We'll take it.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
Thanks.